Ibrahim Bwaga orukurirwa rya Hoima Regional Referral Hospital nagira ngo abantu bashata bashangirwe n'embundo mbwire bwasha 12 zo mwebazyo ayizoberirwa katano bari mu irwaro bari kugeza ku gitwaro muri za ward. Dr. Bwaga nashobora ngo bakwasirwa serikali ba UPDF kandi tubara kumaye kigendererwa cyabo.
Today at around 6 p.m. the UPDF officers that we deployed at Hoima Regional Referral Hospital to give us security intercepted 3 gentlemen who were attempting to sneak a gun into the hospital, and right now investigations have been initiated. For us as a hospital, we appreciate the services of UPDF.
Bwanyuma yo kubakwata ogu ayesero mujekirwa mukuru yanga abore muri Hoima Badru Mugabi obakwasize police kubachondozaho.
So we still have a few issues here and there, so the detection has increased greatly to the extent that every week we have a case, a criminal case that is escalated to the police and court subsequently. So for today we are thankful that the officers on duty managed to identify and detect this. Kinkwenda kugambira abantu nti government ekora omulimo kwayo kulinda abantu nebintu byabo. Kyonka the doctrine of security it begins with you. Kandi bokorora omuntu aina ebintu byotakenga rundo takunomwekengera kirungo temiye rundo rabule abebyo kwerinda bisobole kuba nitwongera mu maiso no kumuzonzora rundi kwetegereza ebigenderwa abi.
Mugabi yasima abasarukare abokora umurimo ogu.
Abantu abambaga amanti habakito ateire amahe hairwaro batati mukuru amahe gasangire mundu kandi twikaire overtime twasira abasuma bakwiba emibazi abakwiba omusahi nabakura byaho ebintu ebindi hati tya lero twasire mundu netaha mu irwaro kitumanyire bwe bayirezire kuita rundiki ebayire nesagika omusuma kandi omuhalabo abayiraina ekihuta kyamani muno nawe ali mu irwaro tumukwatireho kandi police egeno maiso n'ekuseruliriza.
Mugabi nagira ngo ababine ko bari bahekera abakwasirwe bwati bakumirwa Hoima CPS obukuchonoza kugendo meisho gasha kwa mrozo n'agabakatoto.